maaga kami nag-start this year, tapos mas naging focus kami sa routine. Last year kasi late na nakapag-start. Tapos marami rin kaming ibang inaatupag na events, ganun. This year wala talagang iba kasi umalis yung head coach namin nung end of July. So 2 months siyang nawala. So before pa siya umalis, talagang hinabol namin yung date na meron ng routine bago pa siya umalis. So, mas naging focused kami talaga this year. Naging mahirap kasi last na nawala siya for her routine, 2,000 pa ata before. Tapos talagang siya yung hands-on pagdating sa paglinis, siya ang pag-adjust ng routine. Hindi naman kami pinabayaan ni Coach NJ.
She gave us her full trust. So, kung ano yung nilatag namin nung wala siya, then when she came back, she was somehow satisfied with what we did. When she came back, they pushed a little bit more. So I think Coach Lala gave them the motivation to push harder since she's not around. So lalo na nung bumalik siya, so mas lalong naganahan sila. Different in terms of wala kaming inulit na stunts. Everything is new. Well, a small modification in some of the stunts, but totally different in terms of choreography. We increased the level of difficulty somehow a little bit, but not that much. So para lang din na ma-lessen namin yung chances of yung creating errors.
Yung pressure, hindi naman siya maaalis tulad nga nung sinabi namin sa mga ibang nagtatanong. Pero alam mo yung support ng UP community sa amin, yun yung nagpapatanggal ng pressure eh. Kasi all this time, andyan lang sila sa likod namin, hindi nila pinapapil sa amin na kailangan. So instead na pressure, mas na-excite kaming ibalik yung support na binigay nila sa amin. Actually ngayon, pag mag-usap kami, wala masyadong ganun kakabado. Kasi malakas yung tiwala namin sa routine namin this year, na sobrang pinaghirapan talaga namin to. Tapos, basta ma-perfect namin siya, wala na kaming ibang iintindihin.
Laging hindi mawawala yung X factor ng UP-PEP. Tsaka laging meron laging napapakitang mas bago kaysa doon sa last year na performance.
Kung paano namin sinesurprise yung mga tao, yung X factor namin, yun. Tapos yung mga stunts na out of the blue.
Thank you kasi parati nilang pinapapil sa amin yung presence nila. Tapos dahil rin sa kanila, kaya sobrang gagalingan namin. This is for the UP community.
Ito na lang masasabi ko. Di ba? We perform. The audience watch. No. The audience will perform with us while we're dancing and while they're doing stunts.